How to log into Kaiser Permanente employee account. Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I'll show you how you can easily log into Kaiser Permanente employee account. So the first thing you do is open up your web browser and search for Kaiser Permanente employee login. Go ahead and click on the link where it says HR Public Kaiser Permanente. Tap on hrconnect.kp.org. This is the official website for the employees on Kaiser Permanente. Click on the sign on button at the top and you'll be taken over to the login portal. Provide your national user ID and then just enter your password. If you forgot your password, you can click on this forgot password page and you can use this to recover your account. You just need to provide some of your details to verify that the account belongs to you. So enter the national user ID and date of birth that's listed on your official card. Then tap on continue and you should be able to recover your account without any problem. That is basically how you can log into Kaiser Permanente employee account. If this was helpful to you in any way, hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. Also turn on the bell icon to get notified about our latest uploads. I'll see you guys in the next one.